Cordial greeting to Thor and partners. My name is Sandrine Rios and I will present the answer for question the part 3 of Speak Earn Improve. The question is, all university students should do part-time jobs while they are studying. What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? What is your opinion? Some advantages are distraction. They do not focus only on study, are distracted. They learn about a new topic or about their own subject study. There are money that helps them pay or their expenses. However, some disadvantage can be they will have a little time to do homework. In my own opinion, is that they should not work because working and studying is very heavy and hard. They can feel depressed and frustrated. Can't believe they cannot do both things at the same time. Thank you.